Today we're going to take a look at how to pull a subset of data. So I've already loaded in my coasters data set, and all we need for this is our pandas library. So if we look at the age group column, we have several different options in here. It's newest, recent, and older. I can pull a subset of data where I'm only including rows that have a specific value in that column. So I'm going to start by looking at coasters that are in the newest age group. I'm going to do coasters, square bracket, coasters. I want to look in the age group column, and I want rows where the value is newest. So we need the double equal sign to say that we're looking for when the age group is equal to newest. Now, this created a new subset called newest, where all of these coasters are in the age group newest. It did not edit our original data set. So the original coasters data set is still has every row. The subset of newest just has the newest coasters. You can also look at coasters that are not newest. So if I want the recent and older coasters, I can call that not new and do the same type of thing. Coasters, square bracket, coasters, square bracket, age group is the column I'm looking at. To say that I'm looking for values where the coasters are not in the newest age group, I'm going to do exclamation point equal sign. That stands for not equal to. So exclamation point equal sign is not equal to. And that will create, again, a new data set called not new that only has the coasters that are older and recent. So you can do this to create a subset, and then you can make graphs or do calculations just based on those subsets.